Hey everyone, this is Kashif here and you are watching my channel Switch to ICT World. Today, our topic for discussion is how to rank your website on Google. If you're looking to improve your website's ranking on Google, there are several strategies you can implement. Here are some steps you can take based on the provided web search results. Tip 1. Start with the mighty seed list and create a keyword theme. Use this as a foundation for your content and SEO efforts. Conduct an internal link audit using a tool like Ahrefs Site Audit. This can help you identify opportunities to link to your target page using relevant keywords. Tip 2. Improve your on-site SEO by optimizing your page titles, meta descriptions, and header tags. Use LSI keywords, related keywords, to enhance the relevance of your content to your target audience. Tip 3. Monitor your website's technical SEO, including page load speed, mobile responsiveness, and broken links. These factors can impact your website's user experience and search engine ranking. Tip 4. Make sure your content matches the search intent of your target audience. This means creating content that answers their questions or solves their problems. Tip 5. Reduce your website's bounce rate by improving the user experience. This includes optimizing your website's design, navigation, and page layout. Tip 6. Find additional keywords to target by conducting keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs. This can help you identify new opportunities to create content that matches the needs of your target audience. Tip 7. Publish high-quality content that is engaging and valuable to your target audience. This can help attract backlinks and social shares, which can improve your website's authority and ranking. Tip 9. Build backlinks to your site by creating valuable content that others will want to link to, and by reaching out to other website owners in your niche to request backlinks. Tip 10. Track and monitor your website's ranking and performance using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. This can help you identify areas for improvement and track the effectiveness of your SEO efforts. SEO is an ongoing process, and it takes time and effort to see results. By implementing these strategies and consistently creating high-quality content, you can improve your website's ranking on Google and attract more traffic to your site. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.